Hello everyone, welcome back to another session of Verilog coding with me. So let's get started. So today we will be seeing about address subtractor. So here you are given the diagram, schematic. So we have to write a code for this. Here you can read the description. So here they have given build the circuit below. You are provided with a 16-bit adder model which you need to instantiate twice. So here they have given us a use a 32-bit wide XOR gate to invert the input whenever sub is 1. So let's see how we can do it. So first we need to declare wires for x2 for intermediate sum. So we have to declare another wire for XOR gate. So I will name it B XOR because you cannot use directly XOR as XOR is predefined function in this Verilog. So B XOR, it should be of 32-bit wide, 31:0. So now we have to assign XOR, assign B XOR. So here they have told us to use this can also be used as the 31:0 XOR with sub replicated 3 times. So as we know how to use the replication operator, so first we have to do give a left flower bracket, then we have to write the number of times to be replicated, that is 32, then the component that has to be replicated, that is sub, then close the bracket. Now XOR with B. So now it is easy that directly we have to use the modules. Add 6 to A1, user defined name, A15:0. Instead of B, we will be writing B XOR. B XOR 15:0. And here we can see the scene is sub. So we have to write sub and sum 15:0. And the cout will be x1. So similarly for the other module, add 16, A2, A31:16, B XOR 31:16. X1 will be the scene for this. Sum will be 31:16. Next will be cout. So let's submit it. So as you can see, compilation process has been started. So there is one error. We have to add line number unpacked. Array type cannot be assigned to unpacked array type. What's the error? So here we have declaration. So as you can see, that was the error, indentation error. So as you can see, the status is success, and here is the timing diagram. So that's all for today.